Lasagna?
You guys can see this.
What do you guys want some lasagna?
Lasagna, no thank you. I want some mozzarella cheese.
What?
Tears.
I want some mozzarella cheese sticks.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
It's not junk.
What she say?
They're in the garage. Turkey didn't have any more pieces.
Oh, yeah.
I'll put it in.
No. I'll give it now. Gabby, where you going? Okay, I'm gonna put a pizza in the oven. Okay?
What did you do, Gabby? Oh, why'd you do that? I didn't do it. I didn't do that. I was gonna put him there. So I'm gonna put him here so he can eat dinner. He's gonna stay in the Oh. I see him eating. Guys,
He's eating anything.
see him? Looks like he's stuck in there. Oh no, no. Oh no, he fell. He's just like. Show him me. Do also your dance moves.
Hey, guys.
No, Gabby.
Go in the front door. Go in the backyard. We got a huge backyard. Do that one more time.
Okay. I'm gonna make something for myself.
Hey, where's...
I'll fix him a pizza.
Get him. Get him.
No. I'm gonna keep him out for a while.
Yeah, where'd you even put him? Gabby, where'd you even put him? Gabby, where'd you even put him?
Huh?
Why'd you even put him? Gabby, where'd you even put him? Tell me now. Gabby,
What?
let's bring him in the backyard.
No.
No!
Yeah,
Gabby, where is he?
He's in the plant.
What's plant?
Right next to you.
Oh, there he is. Yes, here he is. Grab him.
Spinach and cheese.
Yay, certain cheese.
Huh?
Yay, certain cheese.
Gabby, let's go in the backyard.
Wait. Making something for us.
So yes, Rob's like, wee.
Don't do it here. Hey, it's it's gonna hurt.
No, he can fly.
Yeah, no, so you can do your fly.
He can fly a little bit.
But we told your son free and he can stay out there in the wild. And
Yeah,
fly
just-
more.
Yes, let's go outside with him.
I know.
Let him be outside. Stop doing
Put
that.
him, look and put him back in the plant.
We can go put him
No,
back
the backyard. Gabriela, backyard.
in. Gabby, come on.
Put him, let him breathe, okay? Put it inside somewhere.
Daddy, come out with me.
Put it on the, look. Put it on the big pot in there.
Wait, he just fly.
Logan, no.
Oh, he just threw a backflip. Wait, he needs some sun. Oh, it cannot fly. He's trying to fly away.
Logan,
I gave him a little bit of water.
set him free.
I gave him a little bit of water.
Set him free.
Put it on the big pot in there.
Wait, he
The
needs
big,
to dry up. I'm giving him.
Orange pot.
I gave him a little bit of water, so now he needs to dry up.
Logan, set him free.
He needs to
Set
dry up.
him free.
Oh my frick, I'm gonna kill you. Fine. Next time we're gonna see him.
You don't know that. He might end up being able to fight. How dare you? Are you trying to kill him?
No, what the frick?
Put him at the bottom, Logan. Wait, is he trying to fly?
Sorry, guys. Back to the video.
Ah!
Stop. He is.
Don't touch the animal.
Where is he?
How dare I tell you?
Oh, there he is.
Nature's so beautiful.
He doesn't get to see him. Well, guys, that's all for the video. Bye-bye. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Please, we don't really have no subscribers. We have no subscribers. Please, guys, I try to make good videos to make you smile. So, bye-bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. You have to.